We're going, we're live. Hello, good morning, welcome. Welcome to another mini Feldenkrais lesson. And did you remember to say white rabbits this morning? It's Wednesday, 1st of April. So today we're going to do another nice movement for the head and the neck. And this is called, we're going to be doing rolling the head between the hands. So first of all, just get yourself comfortable and settled. I suggest sitting up or standing up for this little lesson. Take a breath, let it out, get settled. And now we'll do a little check-in as to how your neck is working at the moment. So just gently look side to side a little bit. Now it's just a small move. It's like you're just letting your head glide and float sideways. So no great work to it. Easily look to the left, look a little right, and notice how your neck is working to manage this movement at the moment. Okay, now what we're going to do is to put one hand on front of the head, one hand at the back, and roll the head between the hands. So just do that. Roll the head between the hands. And remember which hand is on top because we're going to swap in a moment. And now this is a bit of a tricky move, so I want to make sure you're doing it the way I've got in mind. Your hands are the arms are moving. Actually, I'll turn that over so you can see. The arms stay straight. The hands and the arms stay in line with each other as you go side to side. It's like that. And let me show you with my water bottle. It's like with a your head is like a cylinder, and it's rolling side to side like that. Hope that's getting you the idea. Okay, so rest, put your arms down, have a rest for a moment. And then change hands, whichever hand was on top. Whichever hand is in front, change over, put that at the back and vice versa. And again, gently rolling your head between your hands and keeping those arms parallel, so they're just moving like that. And do that a few times. Soft, light, gentle, gliding movement. And that's it. Put your hands down, rest a moment. Take an easy breath. And now check back again as to whether that's made any difference to how your head is moving. Just go back again to gently, softly gliding side to side. And now you might like to add in, as you turn, you also turn the shoulders so they support the action. So always in the Feldenkrais method, it's about having all parts of your body move to support an action. We're not trying to teach you to isolate movements. We may, for an exercise, isolate movement, but generally we're having all the parts. If you think from your head to your feet, your arms out to your fingertips, whatever action you're doing, all parts of you move to support that action. Now, that's it for today, but with this head turn, you might like to try, a funny thing is if you could sit in a chair, roll the head and see if you could stand up and sit down without interrupting the movement of the head. And that will have you teaching yourself to do the standing up and sitting down in a nice, easy, flowing way. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you have a nice day today. So some people are just joining and I've just finished. We were doing rolling the head between the hands. You might like to look at the recording. I'm going to post that on Facebook and on Instagram. It's a nice sunny day today. I hope you get a chance to, in the isolation, maybe you can get out and have a walk in the park. I hope you get out and spend some time outdoors. Please have a good day. Stay well. Keep moving. And I'll see you tomorrow. So I'm here Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. for a 5-minute mini Feldenkrais lesson. Bye-bye. And hello to people who are just joining, and hope you can watch the recording. I think we'll keep this theme going tomorrow and the next day on neck and shoulder stuff. Bye-bye. Have a good day.